Got the boat sitting in the cradle. Went in there nice. Fits in the pretty tight fit. Like it's not going anywhere. It's right in the frame. You can't move it at all. I just put these snowmobile dollies underneath it, so if I have to do any cutting or grinding, just wheel it outside so I don't coat the garage in fiberglass dust. Then when I'm not using them, take them off so it won't move around. Now I guess I can start pulling the rub rail off. Get that, but first I want to cut a piece of plywood in here just to put it up against the bottom of the hull here just to help support it a little bit here because it's not touching all the way along from here out. I didn't go all the way to the front because I didn't think I needed to. They're not going to be walking over here or anything. But hopefully that's enough. Looks pretty solid. So I'm thinking that this boat used to be black at one time. Because if you notice all around the edge here, it's all black. Because this would be the thinnest part of the gel coat right here is the lip. And right here, the numbers on the boat have been painted over it. Like that's the decal right there. This is gel coated right over it. Like you can feel it. And you can see it's black right through there. Looks kind of weird. But yeah, when I sanded the bottom, that little line I cut through over here, there was no black gel coat on it. Wherever it is, it's just white. So I don't know, maybe they just painted the top black? I'm not entirely sure, but the bottom was just all white. Because when I sanded it, there was no black at all. Another weird thing about this boat. Every time I keep digging closer into it, every time I keep looking into more things, the more problems I find, or the more things I find out. Every time I turn something over on the thing, I just find another thing wrong with it. Or something weird about it. Well, it's time to change that now.